Hi guys, welcome back. This is Null Mode. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano i-speed up ang inyong mga Android device. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please hit the like button below and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga bagong video ina-upload palagi. Go to settings, about device software, updates, and check for updates. Second is clean up your home screen. If you choose to live wallpaper, then consider replacing it with a good static image. You should also clean away any unused icon and limit your widgets to the essentials. The less cluttered your home screen is, the better in terms of performance. Third, uninstall and disable unused apps. You don't want to allow apps that you never use to take up your space on your device and potentially eat into your system resources. Go to settings, apps, and swipe over to all tab. Take a good look down the list and identify the apps you don't want or need. If you're in doubt about what any of them do, it's time to hit Google and check. Tap on any app you don't want and then choose uninstall, or if your option is not there to uninstall, tap disable. Disable app will be listed in a new tab, so you can enable them again in the future if you change your mind, or should also take a look in settings, apps at the running tab. Some apps want to be running all the time and they can seriously impact on performance. Think carefully about whether you need what's listed here. The fourth, guys, is turn off or reduce animation. You can make your Android device feel snappier by reducing or turning off some of animations. You'll need to enable developer option in order to do this. Go to settings, about phone, and scroll down to the system section to look for build number. Tap on it 7 times and you should see a message about being a developer. You can now go back to the previous menu and you should see developer option listed under system. Head in there and scroll down to find window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Tap each in turn and set to 5 times or off. Pick an option and find out what suits. If you don't like, just go back and change the values again. Pangapat, cache data. Ang cache data ay temporaryong impormasyon na inililista at in-store ng isang app sa iyong Android device upang mapabilis ang pag-access sa mga impormasyon na ito. Subalit, maaaring magdulot ito ng problema sa performance kapag lumaki na. Ang pag-clear ng cache data ay nagbibigay ng karagdagang espasyo sa iyong device at maaaring makatulong sa pagsasaayos ng performance. Gayunpaman, tandaan na ang ilang apps ay maaaring kailangan itong i-retrieve ulit pagkatapos ng pag-clear. Sa pagpapatay o pagsusuri ng autosync, maaaring matipid mo ang baterya ng iyong device at mapabuti ang performance sa pamamagitan ng pagkontrol sa automatic na pag-synchronize ng iyong accounts. Ang factory reset sa iyong Android device ay naglilinis ng lahat ng data at nagbabalik sa original na estado ng device. Tandaan na ang factory reset ay permanente at ito ay nagbubura ng lahat ng data sa iyong device. Kung maaari, siguraduhin may backup ka ng iyong mahalagang impormasyon bago mo ito gagawin.